Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to learn the differences between say, tell, talk, and speak. Say and tell have the same meaning, giving information. Tell is person to person. You need another person. I tell you. I tell my students. He tells him it's cold. In the past, he told him it's cold. No to. No tells to. Only he tells him. With say, we don't have another person. Only I say or he says. He says it's cold. In the past, he said it's cold. Now, it's correct to use to. He said to me. He said to him. But it's not common. Don't use it. If you have another person, use tell. And remember, with say, says, and said, you have irregular pronunciation. So let's look at the pronunciation. I say and you say, but he says. Pronunciation, says. S, se, z, says. He says hello. In present, say and says. In the past, said. Pronunciation, s, se, d, said. Said. He said hello. Let's practice. What does your teacher say?
She says I need to practice English more.
What does your teacher say? Very good. What does your teacher tell you?
She tells me I need to practice more.
What does your teacher tell you? Very good. What does she say?
She says she's always tired.
What does she say? Very good. What does she tell you?
She tells me she's always tired.
What does she tell you? Very good. What did he say?
He said it's nice outside.
What did he say? Very good. What did he tell you?
He told me it's nice outside.
What did he tell you? Very good. Speak and talk are the same. It's the general action. Ba 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 ba. Speak is formal, and talk is everyday English. They're used in different ways, and we're going to look at all of them. Let's talk about prepositions. What preposition is correct? You can say to or with. Speak to you, speak with you. Talk. I talk to you, I talk with you. What are you talking about? We are talking about English grammar, or speak. We are speaking about English grammar. Speak is formal. In present, speak. In the past, spoke. And the participle, spoken. She is speaking to the employees. She speaks to the employees every day. Yesterday, she spoke to them for 3 hours. He has not spoken in the meeting yet. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She is speaking to the employees.
Does she speak to the employees every day?
Yes, she speaks to the employees every day.
What is she doing? Does she speak to the employees every day? Very good. In a formal situation, use speak. Yesterday, did she speak for a long time?
Yes, she spoke for a long time.
Did she speak for a long time yesterday? Very good. Has he spoken yet?
No, he hasn't spoken yet.
Has he spoken yet? Very good. We use speak for public speaking. He is speaking in public. He is speaking to an audience. In this case, you cannot use talk. Only speak is correct. Is he speaking in public?
Yes, he's speaking in public.
Is he speaking to the audience?
Yes, he's speaking to the audience.
Is he speaking in public? Is he speaking to the audience? Very good. Does he get nervous when he speaks in public?
Yes, he gets nervous when he speaks in public.
Does he get nervous when he speaks in public? Very good. We use speak when we talk about languages. I speak English. And no speak in English, only speak English. We cannot use talk in this situation. You cannot say, I talk English. I speak English. I speak Spanish. Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak Spanish too?
I speak a little Spanish.
Do you speak English? Do you speak Spanish too? Very good. Talk. In present, talk. In past, talked. Pronunciation, talked. Not talked, talked. Participle, talked. Talk is more common than speak. Speak is very formal. You can use talk in any situation. At work, she talked to the employees. Let's practice. Is she talking to the employees?
Yes, she's talking to the employees.
Is she talking to the employees? Very good. Does he like to talk to her?
Yes, he likes to talk to her.
Does he talk to her every day?
Yes, he talks to her every day.
Does he like to talk to her? Does he talk to her every day? Very good. Are they still talking?
Yes, they're still talking.
What are they talking about?
They're talking about work.
Are they still talking? What are they talking about? Very good. And remember, if you call someone on the phone, we don't say, can I speak with Mr. Brown? Or can I talk with Mr. Brown? It's formal and not common. It's correct, but not common. It's better to say, is Mr. Brown there? Let's practice.
Hello, is Mr. Brown there?
This is him. So remember, say and tell have the same meaning, but with tell, you need another person. And talk and speak have the same meaning, but speak is more formal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, watch it again. Keep practicing.